What if I told you this professional animation was made entirely in PowerPoint? No plugins, no fancy software, just PowerPoint magic. Let's make it together. Want to add wow factor to your slides? Today, we will show you how to create a realistic 3D falling leaf effect, perfect for nature theme or just showing off your skills. First, right-click your slide, go to Format Background, choose Picture or Texture Fill, pick a nice forest or sky image. This will make our leaves looks like they are really falling. Now, let's add a clean frame, rectangle, drag it out, then use align center and align middle to position it perfectly. Pick a color, remove the outline, then duplicate it. Make the duplicate smaller. Add a thick outline. Boom! A sleek modern frame for your text. Throw in a title or some info, maybe fall presentation or seasonal report. Here's the fun part. Click on Insert, 3D model and pick two different leaf design. I am using this maple and oak leaves. Feel free to mix it up. Duplicate them 5 to 6 times, then rotate each one uniquely. This makes the falling effect looks natural, like real leaves swirling in the wind. Now, right click on the slide, duplicate it. On the first slide, grab all the leaves and drag them above the slide of the screen. Next, select frame and text and set their transparency to 100%. This hides them during the animation, so only the leaves are visible. Rotate some for variety. On the second slide, go to Transition, select More, set the duration to 5 seconds. This makes the leaves fall smoothly when we play the slideshow. And that's it. You just turn basic shape into cinematic 3D leaf fall. No advanced skill needed. Imagine using this for holiday slides, photo albums or creative projects. If you love this, hit the like button. It helps so much. Let me know in the comments what theme should I animate next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.